Hey, hello, welcome guys. Today in this video we will be talk about the qwen, which is a fantastic AI tools, and you know who the model is. And today release QwE-32B. All models we are talk about this 22 billion parameter that dive into the cutting edge, and which is a fantastic. And you can see here the AI ME22, the parameter is 79 and 79.8, which is a fantastic, and I think it's a good thing. And let's explore how to use qwen chat and its different model. Okay, now the best AI tools, tasks, complex, reasoning, professional content creations, we can use it. You can see here the different types of things we can use here, and which is a good. I think we will become here, and this types of interfere you can see here. First of all, you have to sign up and come here. So what will we can do? We can think, web research, artifact, image generations, and video generation. So we will dive into this, how we can use this. Like generally ask, okay, what can you do and how, where. Generally we can ask, I am glad to, okay, answer is this. Content writing में, programming assistant में, okay, logical reasoning में, language translations and grammar connection में, creative generate brainstorming ideas, summarizer, okay, how we can, learning growth, writing assistant, planning, entertainment, professional, okay, create storytelling where we can at home, office, go. Okay, now coming to, if we want to the web research, okay, let's new chat, and we will be what will happen, okay, 6 March in AI industry. Okay, now let's see what will be answer giving us. Okay, it will be thinking, and now all models bring unique capabilities, so choose based your needs. Okay, so okay, 6 March, yeah, it's a good, it can be working with a updated 6 AV Godfrey presentations on AI impact, and Microsoft AI tool in Vena, AI for Good Innovations Factory, the MWC, Barcelona, Enterprise Assets Transformations, and MWC. Yeah, all these things happen. So here are the different types of model. So based on your unique capabilities and what you want to, so you can use it. So we will be talk about the instructions. Okay, instruct. So I think it is a good. Let's instruct. If someone think, if you have an image, so we can be, we have an image. Okay, here are the 100 scary prompt. So we will see it can be write in HTML or, so it is a thinking, and 100 PDF, it is analyzing, now studying and locating. Oh yeah, it's so cool. You can see here 8, 9, it's the prompt. All the prompt is 100 scary prompt, and all the prompts will become in upcoming days in my YouTube channel. So stay tuned my YouTube channels. If you are new and not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe to lever then. I think so the use in different way. You can see here writing, max review, okay, thinking. Before we release something tonight, we would like to tell you now qwen AI belong to us, and know you can begin qwen chat. It's a good, fantastic, based on your interest you can use this. So here it can be given us to be 100 prom in HTML. We can copy and use this in different way. We can live and we can copy, and we can edit also. If you want to regenerate, so we can regenerate. So now we will be talk about the different models. It's capable of complex tasks. Okay, so how many are in histo? Okay, so let's see what will be giving the answer. So first of all, so I should be, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. In this 22 should be giving this answer. Yes, so cool. It is a thinking, and it is a, it's like a, it's a very complex thing. And first of all, the best thing is that if we use the detailed prompts for the best response, so it will be good for us. It means write, if you want to the write YouTube script, so it can be write how many times he is thinking, how many are, 25 to 20. What calculations is still doing? I don't know. It is not the big deal. I think it is not a big hard question. Wet presses starting, stop, begin. Let's see. R 20s are, but the extra before the Y. Let me check. Use the strawberry. Let me answer separate doing. I mean, it is a very so lengthy and taking a time also, but it's a plus 2.5 plus, so it is a thinking what exactly users are saying, and based on this it make me triple double check to be a correct answer. So it is not only the giving the calculations and giving the answer, no, it's just verify and the thing asking the thing. So that's why, yes, exactly 20 for to correct answer is okay. Is to be stroke is the following R, counter is the R20s and R2. There are the 20 are in the okay. Now coming to the next is a 22B, which is a good, I think 20B is best for the professional AI, I mean machine learning, teaching field, technical field, sorry. Example from generate, if we okay, let me use gen python code for chatbot with natural language. Okay, now just click it. So it is a good for ideal for the user needly help or technical insight and high precise output. That's why we can use this. Okay, say hello, hi, what is this, man? Okay, now coming to leave it, you can use it. So for casual user, create. Okay, first of all, for casual user, so you can use it 2 point, I mean in qwen 2.5 plus for max. Okay, for the developer and AI expert, it is a good, fantastic and smart. It's a vision. If we talk about and expand more models, okay, so how many models are there? You can see here. We can use in the 2.5 turbo also, and 72 instruct and temporary chat. If we use this, we can use this. Okay, now coming to the different point of view, like image generate. So it can be image generate. So let's start it. Blue sky and a man are coming. Okay, let's start. So it is capable or not to create the image. Oh my god, this is a good. Look at this, it's so cool. Coming to the videos, it is capable to create videos or not. Fish are flying in. So let's look. Oh sorry, there are issue connecting. Currently there are too many questions in QwE. Please try again later. So in this, because so many people are using this, so that's why it is not currently not available. We cannot say it is not available. It's available, but it's we have to be wait for this to create this. Okay, now we can create the image, code, make plan, news and more things. Help me write, get advice, summary, brainstorming and artifact also. If we something it is a very complications and not understanding, we can upload it the image also. So it can be summarized and calculations also. So now let's tell me 5 things also, 5 things in this which is best for weight loss. Okay, now what will we see that? Okay, it is a thinking query 1 to PDF sections, it is summarize all these things. So I hope guys today in these videos all the models. Okay, what you think, which qwen chat models would you try first, and let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching it, and if you are already new, again I am saying you subscribe my channel. Thank you for thank you so much.